everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and today I have my finale for the rolling 5-pan collab that I have been doing with my girl Amanda. We have been doing this over a year. I can't believe we started this February of last year, and it was just a basic rolling 5-pan, and we wanted to do it, and we said all along that we're going to do it until we either get sick of doing it or it becomes unnecessary for us. And we made the unanimous decision that it was time to do the finale on this one. We both have so many other projects going, and we both have canceled our Sephora Play subscription boxes, so we aren't able to throw in small items that are easy to use up. And it's getting to the point where some of the products that we're putting in really, they don't need to be in painting projects. They really don't. And it was almost like we were keeping the project going for the sake of keeping the project going. And we don't really want to do that. We want to make our painting worthwhile. So yeah, we decided that this is going to be the finale. And I am happy to say that I do have one empty. That makes me very, very happy. And that is the Too Faced Primed and Peachy. This is the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I really like this a whole lot, but I did have a moisturizer that it did not play nice with. I did not have that with any other moisturizers or any other primers. It's just, for some reason, there must be something in each of those that just doesn't like each other. But I really did like this a lot. I might consider buying it again, but right now I am very much enjoying the Catrice Prime and Fine. Yeah, the Catrice Prime and Fine Keep Me Matte. I'm really liking that a whole lot. I'm thinking that probably is going to become my go-to primer. So this is probably not something I'm going to repurchase now, but I might in the future. All right, so one down, 4 that I did not finish. The first one is the Equate Beauty Oil-Free Eye Makeup Remover. I love this stuff. Absolutely love it. And I was at this red line last time. Now I am down here at this bronzy line. I'm just going to keep on using it because I like it. I like it a whole lot. The next one is this Architect Texture Line Pliable Mattifying Paste. It's for your hair. I did use a fair amount, but it is a long way from being empty. And until I get my hair cut, it's not really doing me a whole lot of good. I haven't been using as much product lately, so, what's the point? The next one is the Equate Beauty Charcoal Pore Strips for nose and face. The first time I tried these, I hated them. They weren't sticking. Turns out I was not getting my face wet enough. Once I did actually, I saturated my face, and they worked beautifully. They're very inexpensive, and I really like the way they work. They do leave, if you have any wrinkles in your, the patch, it will leave a little bit of, the charcoal on you, depending on where you put it. So that was a little annoying. I don't know if I would get the charcoal ones again, but I would try the other Equate ones because I like pore strips. I like torture, but it's not a bad product. And the last one that I didn't get to finish, this was a repressed and slightly frankened eyeshadow from the Profusion Eyes palette. I'm enjoying it. It probably will end up in another project at some point because a girl's got to finish up 70 eyeshadows this year, so that's probably going to get worked on some more. But in a way, I'm kind of sad that this project is over. In a way, I'm a little bit relieved because it's just one less thing on my plate. And I'm sure other people that do a lot of project pans at one time can relate to having just too much on your plate. And so we're scaling back. We're going to put more emphasis on our other projects that are part of Fantastic Ladies and really just focus on those a little bit better. So as much as I am sad to see this go, I'm happy at the same time. And I hope that makes sense to you guys. Definitely go check out Amanda's finale. I'm going to have her link down below. And of course, I'm going to have her at the end of my video. So you can just click right on her face and go to her channel and show her some lovin's. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.